Hey guitar friends, it's Mike. I have a couple of projects coming up. One is this 1970s Lotus. And I picked this up off of eBay. It had no pickups and I removed the hardware. The tuners, the bridge, the tailpiece, everything was completely oxidized. So I yanked everything out and so I'm going to put it back together. So right now what you see is it's pretty dirty. So I'll clean her up and I'll start the process of refurbishing this guitar. The thing with these Lotus guitars, when they're in really good shape, when you go on Reverb, you're going to pay $350, $400, maybe even $500 for one that is in excellent shape. So this one, body-wise, is pretty darn good. All of the binding is in place. You could see the fretboard is really, really dirty. I have to pull all of the frets. And what I'll do is I will sand the fretboard with my radius block and we'll freshen it up so it looks brand new. And of course I've got to put pickups in and all the electronics. Okay, so, but otherwise, like I said, she's in pretty good shape. I'm going to clean her up a little bit right after I do this video. And we've got a couple of marks and stuff. Yeah, that's worn right there. You can see. There's not a whole lot I can do about that. We have a scrape there. But all in all, being almost 50 years old, I think I can fix her up and she'll look real good. Okay, so that's project number one. So let me get the other guitar now and I'll show you project number two. Okay, so project number two is going to be a lot easier. This is an Epiphone basher. Now, I already did a video on a guitar like this. It was black. And I thought it was an old one-off on an Epiphone special. And then I received a comment from one of my subscribers and they said, you know, Mike, that guitar, not that it's rare, but it had a limited run in the early 2000s. So I did some research and evidently the basher, which is what this is, and the black one I did a video on recently, although it looks very much like an Epiphone special, its real name is an Epiphone basher. B-A-S-H-E-R. And so I'm going to fix this one up as well, clean her up. It's in fine shape. It's got a couple of blemishes here and there, but nothing that's very intrusive. Let's flip her over and take a look at the back of the guitar. Okay, so here's the back of the guitar, and I apologize up front for some of the reflections. It's just difficult to get around that. And we can see the serial number on the bolt-on plate. The neck is in fine shape. It does have a scarf joint just like the other one. And that's the joint right here. You can see here. Nothing to be alarmed about. And you can see it has a slight ding there. Again, it's very slight. And the tuners, which feel pretty good. On the other one, on the black one, I had to replace the tuners because one was very wobbly. And this one is purple. And I'll fix her up and I will either sell her or keep her. Okay, so these are the two guitars that I will be working on very shortly, and I will try to get them done within the next month or so and get the videos uploaded. All right, you guys have a great weekend and we will talk soon.